So here's how we can set a birthday alarm on the Android device. Let me show you how it could work, and if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually more ways how you would utilize it if you wanted to. Like I know a lot of people who use the calendar, especially the Google Calendar, which has some additional features built in specifically for the birthdays, where you essentially make sure that you get inside your Google Calendar, tap on the plus in at the bottom corner, and you can add like your birthday in here or someone else's, right? And when you add it to the calendar, you can set up a reminder, meaning that you're going to be notified before or at the time of the event, right? So you don't like forget it that someone has birthday, right? So that is the great way about calendars, because you can like set up custom events and also set up notifications so you don't forget about the events. So I personally use it through the calendars, but there are actually more ways. Like there are of course some reminders which you can set up as well, but this is like a little bit of an indirect way to make it work, because I still believe that the calendars are going to be the most useful. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed and make it work on your Android device, if you set up a birthday alarm successfully on your Android phone. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.